Hello there. 3 reasons why people cheat. Number 1 is the lack of love, guys. Relationship is like a puzzle. So there are times when you find missing pieces and you try to find the missing pieces from another person. 90% you love the person, but the 10% that they lack, you try to find it from another person. Because they're trying to find the emptiness in their heart from another person. There goes a saying, love is patient, love is kind, and love keeps no record of wrongdoings. When they don't see your value anymore, you don't serve their needs anymore. So it could be the reason of number 2. It could be the lack of security. When you don't give your TikTok password, then you're not secure. I'm just kidding. That's not the point. The security, like when you feel like the person will not be with you forever, or they feel like they're not really your true love, so they feel insecure and they think that you can easily change them in your life. Because they don't feel secure that you're gonna be there forever, that you're gonna stay for them. There are times that when your partner don't really introduce you to the family, or not even a friend knows that you existed in this world. So that could be something that could mean that they're not secure of you. They don't really feel that you deserve a spot in their life. So they would rather keep you as a secret, like a skeleton in the cabinet, if you know what I mean. Sometimes lack of security happens when this person finds a mistake in you, or probably you have done something wrong in the past, and that gave them a ticket to do the same thing, like to take a revenge on you. So I don't really blame those people who are cheating, because I totally understand. I have done that. I've been there. I'm not gonna be hypocrite to say I'm a very clean person. Yeah, I have done wrong things in the past. I think cheating is just a kind of defense mechanism. It's a defense mechanism because they don't want you to do the same thing, or to do the same thing again and again. So they would rather do it first, because they don't feel secure that you're gonna be this changed person, that you can be better. So they just do that thing. They just cheat on you. And it happens because of my 3rd reason, which is lack of trust. When your partner see one mistake out of your 99% kindness, that 1% mistake or 1% bad side of you will be forever in his mind, and he will forever take it against you. When you don't give your social media password, it's like their standard of trust. So it means they cannot really trust you, and they would rather go away. No? They don't really understand the meaning of privacy. So ano reason bakit yung mga naglolok?
For chasing someone.
Purchasing someone? So you mean you can buy love? How many lions?
Can buy love.
How many lions?
Not only one.
Not only
Lot
one,
of
okay.
them.
Charat! Bitter. Remember that you can never force anyone to stay in your life.
Yes.
So if the person loves you, they will always find their way back to you.